Getting your first large language model into production? That's a huge milestone. It means your team went from exploration to value delivery. And that's no small feat. But here's the catch. Keeping it there, running smoothly, and scaling it for real use cases requires more than just a good model. This is where InferenceOps comes in. InferenceOps is what separates impressive demos from production-grade systems. It's the set of tools and practices that make your deployments scalable, repeatable, and observable. It's not just DevOps for ML. It's DevOps tailored for inference. Your model is code. And just like any code, it needs packaging, validation, and automated deployment. With CI/CD for models, we add regression checks, latency thresholds, token budget validations, and infrastructure as code to every step. Manual pushes might work for demos, but they don't scale. And they definitely don't hold up in postmortems. Releasing a new model into production should feel boring. That's a good thing. We use strategies like canary deployments to test changes with a small percentage of traffic, or blue-green deployments, where we keep a hot spare environment to switch over with zero downtime. These aren't just deployment patterns, they're safety nets. In production, resilience is everything. We use rolling updates to avoid downtime, auto rollback triggers if latency or accuracy drops, and circuit breakers, retries, and load shedding help localize failures before they cascade through your stack. If you want your model to run 24/7, you need systems that self-heal. As your team scales, so does your complexity. Different clouds, different regions, different teams. Without centralized control, things fall apart fast. That's what InferenceOps relies on. A model registry with metadata and lineage, a unified control plane for deployment and monitoring, and audit logs that show every push, rollback, and ownership change. And let's talk about cost. Unused GPUs, zombie endpoints, test environments left running, they all add up. InferenceOps helps clean this up with automation. We also apply RBAC to control who can push what, and enforce approval gates to prevent risky or unauthorized changes. InferenceOps is the difference between a model that runs a cool demo and one that delivers value every day at scale with confidence. If you're serious about running LLMs in production, this is where you need to invest.